Contact segments are a great way to organize your contacts based on specific pieces of information. In this short video, we'll go over how to create different segments of contacts. To begin, click Audience, Lists and Segments. Next, click Create New. Then, choose either List or Segment. For this video, choose Segment. You can create segments based on email activity, lists, contact details, or data from your integrations. Click Add Criteria to start building your segment. You can choose any of the criteria on the left to narrow down your choices, or you can click one of the contact profiles on the right. So, if you wanted to start creating a segment based on a contact's home city, select that option and then choose an operator. You can choose is not, contains, starts with, etc. Then enter the details. For example, home city is Hartford. From there, you can continue adding more criteria or add a new criteria group. As you add more than one piece of criteria, your segment can either be an AND segment or an OR segment. If you leave it as AND, you can create a segment of contacts where their home city is Hartford and their birthday month is May. If you click here and change it to OR, you can create a segment where the home city is Hartford or any May birthdays. When you're finished adding all of your criteria, give your segment a name. Click here and enter the new name in the box. Then click Save Segment. This will create a segment that will live in the Lists and Segments section of your Audience tab. However, when you go to send an email, you can select Segments instead of Lists and choose the segment you just created. If you want to learn more about the differences between lists and segments and tags, check out our video tutorial here. And that's how you can create different contact segments with Constant Contact.